Hi, my name is Mike Fernandez. I'd just like to take a few minutes to introduce the EcoReef Project. We started the EcoReef Project to virtually to turn our rivers around. We've had huge issues with rivers being straightened for agricultural purposes, all things that we as humans desperately needed. But there are other ways we believe that are better suited to using the waters within our river systems, as well as supporting agriculture. So there's no conflict. There really is no conflict. All we're suggesting is that with a few fine-tuned systems, we can clean the waterways up high in the highlands and gradually filter water as it comes down. And when it comes down to the plains and to where the rivers really have taken a lot of damage, we can very gradually turn so that there are havens within our river systems for plant life and fish to thrive. The EcoReef Project has systems. We've tested them. We've had to test them small. We just don't have the facilities to go anything other than small. But as we've tested them, we've seen how they've worked. We've managed to filter waters, and for instance, in a garden pond, you can keep water there being filtered by plant life, and everything feeds off it. The plant feeds off the excrement of fish, and the water gets filtered and comes back in again. And it lasts there like forever. You're not harming your fish in any way. They're happy to be there and need to be alive. So we can do that in our rivers. We've tested new ways of actually supporting the banks of the rivers, and within that support for the banks of the rivers, we've got plant life that can be supported and helped along the way. Please just get onto one of our websites or our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. We've got 4 sites, another one coming on board, but EcoReefProject.org is the base. So if you get in there, get started from there. We've got information in all these different channels which can support basically anything that you want to do in the way of improving your environment. We've also got the Global Clear Water Challenge that we're working on right now, and within that we've got something which is really bright and cheerful, which is adopt a waterway, and that's for you and for me and for anyone else to look at a little stream, a little puddle, a little pond anywhere and adopt it, and then take care of it. And if there's something going wrong, tell someone, get someone to help you. And that little waterway leads to a bigger waterway, and suddenly we've got a new way of looking at things. You know, our kids know what to do. They can look after fish, they can look after plants. What we've got to do is learn from them and support them in something that we've made a bit of a mess, let's face it. So, and we can clean it up with a bit of help. Please join us. We're passionate about that. I mean, seriously passionate about what we're doing. All you have to do is get involved. I mean, you've got a bit of time on your hands. Just get involved. Get in there. Spread the word. We can do it. Together we can do it. I promise you. Please join us.